Hi, I'm Akanksha. I'm from Shivshivani Institute of Management. Today, I'm going to discuss about Mahindra and Mahindra. Why Mahindra and Mahindra? I chose this company because it is one of the largest vehicle manufacturers by production in India and the largest manufacturer of tractors in the world. It is about 75 years and started as steel trading company, and now this company is into 11 sectors. And these 11 sectors are aerospace and defense, aftermarket, automotive, information technology, financial services, farm equipment, two-wheelers, etc. Company profile. Mahindra and Mahindra was founded in the year 1945 by Malik Ghulam Muhammad, Jagadish Chandra Mahindra and Kailash Chandra Mahindra. Anand Mahindra is the CEO of Mahindra and Mahindra. It is headquartered at Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Parent company. Mahindra Group is the parent company of Mahindra Mahindra. BSE code 5,520, NSE code M&M. Vision. We will prove them right by believing in ourselves by making Mahindra and Mahindra Limited known worldwide known worldwide for the quality of its products and services. Mission to create India's largest automobile related products distribution network by providing dealers and customers with the largest choice of unique world class products and services. Coming to Mahindra and Mahindra. Mahindra and Mahindra is an Indian multinational vehicle manufacturing corporation. It is established in 1945 as Mohammed and Mahindra and later renamed as Mahindra and Mahindra in the year 1945. It is one of the largest vehicle manufacturer by production in India and the largest manufacturer of tractors in the world. It is a part of Mahindra Group, an Indian conglomerate. It is ranked 17th on the list of top companies in India by Fortune India 500 in 2018. Products of Mahindra and Mahindra. Passenger cars, Mahindra Thar, Mahindra Xylo, Mahindra Quanto, Mahindra Bolero, Mahindra Scorpio, and these all are the products of Mahindra and Mahindra. Coming to the competitors of Mahindra and Mahindra. Tata Motors, Ford Motors, Ashok Leyland, Maruti Suzuki, Sonalika International, Hyundai. Porter's 5 force analysis. Threats of new entrants. This means if there is an entrance of another company, uh, competitor in the market, this will affect the main products in the market. There is high cost of the entrance in the media and entertainment market. Huge amount of capital required including legal cost, marketing expenses, distribution cost and licensing cost. Intense market competition. Bargaining power of suppliers. A profile of one of India's pioneering multinationals case help has been competing against the traditional distribution of entertainment and media. It requires to show great flexibility in agreements as compared to the standard organization. Few numbers of suppliers. Bargaining powers of buyers. The dynamic of media and entertainment allows the consumer to have high bargaining power, increased customer demand, sets of substitute products of services. Competitors offers similar service via online streaming and retail DVDs. Traditional media content provider. Customers engage in leisure activities and source of information. Rivalry among the existing competitors. Few numbers of suppliers, technology-based products, increased dependency over suppliers. And coming to competitive advantage, the company has strong market share in the commercial vehicles as well as passenger vehicle segment. M&M as if highly focused R&D research and development department constantly focusing on developing new products and technologies. Mahindra and Mahindra majorly focus on value addition and value engineering approach, designing modularity, use of alternate materials, etc. Mahindra's SUVs are suited perfectly to India's road condition, especially Mahindra Scorpio, which has been an outstanding performer over many years. Political government stability. Government has laid down the stress on the agriculture mechanism to boost food grains production. Rule of majority. Taxation policy has been changed. Economic. Positive macroeconomic scenario. Impact of globalization. Changes in the economic environment. Social. Political growth, gender and ethnic diversity, health and education, social and welfare, economic disparity. Technological. R&D activities, impact of emerging technologies, technology diffusion, technology dispersion. Environment. Mahindra Integrated Watershed Management Product. It is trying to realize electric cars to reduce the population and also reduce the usage of renewable goods. Legal. GST to boost sales in the electric car segment. Collaboration with government which shapes many policies. Coming to the financials, you can see that revenue from operations, total expenses, profit and loss after tax. So revenue from operations is been increasing from 74,762 in 2016 to 1,03,015 in 2019. In 2020, the revenue from operations is being decreased to 93,764 because of this COVID-19 pandemic. And in this graph, you can observe that profit and loss after tax is been increasing from 3,204 in 2016 to 4,796 in 2019. And in 2020, there is a greater decrease to 1,330. In the next slide, we are going to talk about ratios. Ratios, current ratio, quick ratio, and total debt equity. Current ratio in 2016 was 1.2, and now in 2020 it is being decreased for 1.19. In this graph, you can see that total debt equity is in 2016 it is 1.16 and in 2020 it is 1.56. Awards and recognition. Mahindra and Mahindra was awarded for Bombay Chamber Good Corporate Citizen in 2006 and in 2007 it is awarded for Business World FICCI SEDF Corporate Social Responsibility Award. The Brand Trust Report ranked Mahindra and Mahindra as India's 10th most trusted brand in its India study in 2014 survey. Its farm equipment division received in demeaning prize in 2003. In 2007, its farm equipment division received the Japan Quality Medal. Corporate and social responsibility. As part of CRS activity, Mahindra and Mahindra has established education trust, schools, colleges for their employees near their factories. Environment initiatives. Towards making planet Earth greenery, the core group has over to plant a 1 million trees across the nation by October 2008 under the Mahindra Hariyali initiative. Health and disasters relief. The Mahindra Foundation has been set up with a specific objective to provide medical relief to the poor and needy sections and society. The foundation has helped patients suffering from cancer, heart ailments, as well as burn victims. Art and culture. The Mahindra Excellence in Theatre Award, that is META, in, is the latest in the Mahindra's group effort to encourage national threat in two broad categories: emerging threat and established threat. Nah- Nanhikali, a project jointly managed by KC Mahindra and Nandi Foundation for the Girl Child. Thank you.